According to the Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO, Nigeria is the largest producer of cassava in the world, producing 21% or 1/5 of the total global production. Just last week, the state governor, Seyi Makinde, inaugurated the first cassava-based sorbitol factory in Africa. In this report, Dupefe Intola takes a look at what makes Nigeria stand out as the largest producer of cassava and the activities of the state governor as far as cassava is concerned.
Cassava is the third largest source of food carbohydrates in the tropics after maize and rice. Cassava also contains other essential minerals such as vitamin C, iron, and copper, among others. Therefore, there is high demand for the root tuber because of these multi-purpose domestic benefits. It is also important to note that the commodity is a good source of revenue to farmers because of the increasing demand by manufacturing companies producing fuel ethanol and pharmaceuticals. Oyo State is one of the states in Nigeria where cassava is cultivated on a large scale. Just last week, a cassava-based sorbitol company was inaugurated in Ado-Awaye in Okigwe area by the Oyo State Governor Engineer Seyi Makinde. The factory, built by Sotri International Company Limited, has been described as the first in Africa and second largest in the world. The governor, who was elated about the factory, which will produce 24 tons of cassava-based sorbitol daily, said it was value addition to cassava, which Oyo State is known to produce in large quantities. Governor Makinde believed that the initiative key in to his administration's efforts to transform both the rural and urban areas through provision of necessary infrastructure. What are those things that the people of the state stand to gain from this multi-million naira factory? Dr. Godwin Atser is the project manager, Cassava and Maize Value Chain Project, IITA.
Oyo State is once again a pest setter, has said it serves as one of the pest setter states, as is fondly called. This is an important development to the cassava world. Today, we have Sotri that has established the biggest sorbitol producing factory in Africa. And this is something that we are very proud of. What that means is that Oyo State is actually taking the lead, and that company will generate a lot of jobs. It will create demand for cassava roots from farmers. So gone are the days when farmers will produce and not see market. Today, with the sorbitol factory that is being established by Sotri, we are going to see that the cassava that is being produced by farmers will be mobbed and used for that.
What can government do to raise the bar in cassava production and cassava-based industries?
One good thing about the factory is that we envisage that farmers will now begin to go for the best of planting materials because what the Basics Project is doing, for instance, gives farmers opportunity to have access to high-quality planting materials that they can produce cassava and be able to supply for that factory. So it's something great for us, and we appreciate the government of Oyo State for supporting the efforts, making sure that we have this factory in Oyo State.
With appropriate infrastructure and conducive environment being provided by the Oyo State government, it is expected that the ongoing cassava revolution will in short run boost farmers' revenue, and all those on the value chain also stand to benefit a lot. The rate of rural-urban migration will also reduce as time goes on. Dupefe Intola.